Ready na ba kayong mamangha ulit? Pasukin natin ang pinaka-popular na chamber o silid sa loob ng Carlsbad Caverns na tinatawag nilang Big Room. In review, matatagpuan ang Carlsbad Caverns sa New Mexico dito sa US. Kung namangha at tagadahan kayo sa part 1, siguradong mas mamamangha tayo dito sa Big Room. Ayon pala sa National Park Service, nasa mahigit 32 miles o 51.5 kilometers ang na-develop dito para sa public tour. Ang Big Room naman ay pinakamalaking readily accessible cave chamber sa North America. Malaki itong 8.2 acres o 3.3 hectares. O diba, sobrang laki dito sa loob. Dito lang yan sa Big Room.
Look at those guys. Yes. Ang lalaki. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That's amazing. Ang lalaki nila. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at those ones. That's cool. Tingnan nyo, dito naman yan sa likod na view. Ito, nag-touch na talaga itong dalawa. And then there's another one. They're about to touch. I don't know how long it takes for them to touch each other. Pero grabe. Sobrang laki. Ang dami nila. Oh, this one, ang daming stalagmites. Ang laki ng stalagmites dito. Wow, look at this one. Parang maliliit na karayom ng stalactites. That is crazy. Oh wow, just massive stalagmites. Wow,
Just stand there.
it's like corals. Grabe, oh, ang ganda ng formations. Oh, it's called Fairyland. Popcorn covered stalagmites. That's amazing. Wow. And look at the ceiling. Oh, parang maliliit na karayom. Dami. Oh my goodness. Andun na sa kabila yung asawa ko. Nagmamadali. Grabe, sobrang ganda dito sa loob. Kahit na mga ano lang sila, mga bato-bato. Stalactites and stalagmites. Ang ganda na kami mga formation. Tingnan nyo. Ang gaganda. Let's go. So, which route? We're gonna go this way? Okay, and head back
It's
to
not
the
bad.
elevator. Cool. 1 mile, and then we're
And
gonna be at the end.
that's not bad.
Not bad. We can do it. Oh my goodness, I really like that one. And then I really like the ceiling. It's cool. Okay, let's go. Move forward. Oh, look at that. It's like corals. Oh, there's water in there. That's cool. Okay, we're gonna go inside this one. Let's go. What's down there? Tingnan nyo, oh, may butas sa ilalim. Ewan ko kung gaano kalalim yan. May caves din dun sa baba. Oh, crazy. That's crazy how big it is. Rest muna tayo. Upo lang muna tayo dito sa mga concrete bench. Okay, punta tayo dun. Pagkuha tayo ng video. Pinsan ko na yung picture. Tingnan natin dito. Oh my goodness. Look at those. Wow. Tingnan nyo. tingnan nyo dito. Gisa. Ang laki.
You did that on purpose.
So, nandito kami sa bottomless pit. So, nandito kami. And then, dito yung bottomless pit. So, bali, 40 meters ang lalim from where we are. Let's see. Ang dilim. Nasaan na yun? Nakita ko lang sa inyo. Andun sa ilalim. Bottomless pit na madilim. So, ayun o. Ayun siya. Ang dilim dyan. Grabe. So, 40 meters ang lalim dyan. So, we're almost at the end of our tour. So, this was the big room. Sa big room na pala kami naglalakad. Ayan o. So, we're almost done with our loop. Balik na kami. Can I remember you? Nakita niyo yan kanina. Yung parang matandang lalaki na may beard. May burangos. We're gonna head back. And I think gagamit na lang kami ng elevator pabalik sa packet sa taas. Grabe. Oh. Yeah. So the big room was just a big loop. A big... Okay. Grabe. Ang laki ng stalagmite na yan. They're massive. I wonder how long it takes to form this big of a stalagmite. You believe that? So this is called Silent Bell, largest active stalagmite in the cavern. Yan o, may tubig pala dito. So, ang linaw. Tubig. Ayun ang tubig. Parang bell daw siya. Parang kampana. Yan. Okay. Naka 0.5 tayo. Naka 0.5 yung aking camera para mas ma-appreciate yung whole view. Yan. Oh, diba? Grabe. Amazing. It's more amazing in person. Kasi hindi nyo makita yung kabuuan talaga with your naked eye. Wow, ayun sila. Hi, we're almost done with our tour. Pinangalanan ko yan. Si Lolo yan. Tingnan nyo, parang matanda na may bigote at palbas. Mahaba. Ooh. That's amazing. They did a good job putting all the lights and the, what do you call this, the pathway. It's a big construction. Grabe ang lalaki. Oh. Boobies. We call those boobies. How about those? Those look like potatoes.
I'm not gonna say it. Wow.
Rest time?
No rest.
Tingnan nyo, grabe kalinaw yung tubig. Wow. Let's go. Oh my goodness, look at that ceiling. 0.5 natin, oh. May butas. Cool.
So, napagdesisyonan namin na gumamit na lang ng elevator pabalik sa taas. Medyo napagod na kasi kaming magpinsan. And then, we were thinking na nakita na rin naman yung mga view doon, yung mga formation papasok ng kuweba. So, kahit na gusto sana ng asawa kong maglakad ulit palabas, talo siya. Wala kasi siyang kasama, wala siyang pinsan dito, wala siyang paryente. Anyway, maganda rin na may elevator dito kasi may choice ka na sumakay nito kapag napagod ka na. Tsaka curious din kaming makita kung paano nila sinet up yung elevator dito sa loob ng kuweba.
Sa restroom elevator area. I think mag-elevator na kami pa balik sa labas. Ayan. So, kung pagod na kayo like us, you can just take the elevator to exit. Okay. Let's see. How's the elevator? Okay. That's crazy. They made this in here. Interesting. Oh, look at that. Grabe talaga yung ginawa nila dito. It's amazing. Look. There's elevator in there.
You can walk, you can ride.
You wanna walk?
I got the keys in my pocket.
Wow, did you really wanna walk back?
You really want to walk back?
We've got 2 hours, but it don't matter if you guys are tired. I know
We've
you're
seen
coming.
it. We've seen it there, so
Oh, I want to see the elevator too.
yeah. How did they build stuff in here?
Crazy, huh?
It would be cool if it's with this glass.
Paakyat na kami. Kung naalala nyo, nasa 750 feet ang lalim
It seems like
ng
it's
cavern
more
na to. 750 feet underground.
We're at the visitor center. Left or right?
Oh, wow.
Look. We're back to the gift shop. To the visitor center.
So dito may model o diorama sila para ma-represent at maipakita
this is the
yung
lower
kabuang
cave.
itsura ng cavern.
This is where we are at. That's a building.
This was the elevator.
Ah, I see. That's cool.
Imagine.
That's where we were standing when we were looking down.
We were here top of the cross. That's a big room.
Oh, wow.
That's the big room. Oh, that's where we made our loop. Right? Uh-huh. Yeah. So this was a big room and a big loop. And that's the visitor center. That's good. So this is another illustration
The visitor center.
that we entered already.
We walked
And then we walk
to
right here.
The entrance.
And down here. Cool. So this is Jim White. Siya rin yung nag-explore sa cave na to when he was 16 years old in 1898. So nakita niya sa ground na merong lumabas na mga bats pala na nanggaling sa butas sa ground. So he returned several days later na madala na siyang lubid, mga wiring at ilaw. And over the next 45 years, he spent his life exploring the cave. And this is him in 1934. And then it says right here na merong over mahigit 100 na kuweba sa park. But they said that there could be more. At may posibilidad na marami pang kuweba. At currently, nag-explore pa rin sila dito sa Carlsbad Cavern. So at least 180 miles of passages na yung na-discover to date.
Hanggang dito na lang yung ating tour. Sana nag-enjoy kayo at na-feel nyo rin na parang nandito na rin kayo. Abangan nyo yung aking next vlog. Dadalhin ko kayo ulit sa isa pang napakagandang lugar dito sa New Mexico. Bye!